Good to. All right, so now I start recording as well. Yeah, so like I was mentioning, today we are going to play a quiz, and the name of the quiz is Jumbleothon, right? So that means there'll be certain jumble words that will be displayed on your screen, and then there'll be 4 options, and then you have to choose the right option. All right, and that's how you're going to get points. For every correct answer, you will get points between sort of like 400 to 1000. And why do I say you will get points between 400 to 1000? Because that's how Kahoot works. Let's say if Swasti answers the question in 3 seconds, whereas Ayushman answered the question in 10 seconds. And both of them, they answered the question correctly. But Swasti is going to get more points because she has answered the question in 3 seconds, whereas Ayushman took 10 seconds to answer the same question. Understood? Understood? And I hope you have all played Kahoot earlier. No, you haven't. Okay, no issues. So do you have another device handy with you, Ayushman and others? So maybe a phone. Do you have a phone with you? All right. So, the basic step that we have to take right now is...
Sir, I don't have a phone.
That's perfectly all right. Let me share my screen with you. Okay. So that's how it is. That's what you got to do. You have to type in, maybe if you're playing the quiz through your phone or maybe through your laptop, just type in kahoot.it. Let me share this with you.
Kahoot?
Yeah. So that's the pin for today's quiz, which is 1898174.
Sir, yeah, done.
I hope you all are able to. Yeah, so I can see Siddhi, I can see Swasti. How about others? Ayushman is also here. Fantastic. Tanav and Aradhana, how about you two? Okay, Tanav is also here. Aradhana is also here. Fantastic. So we have everybody now. Is it Tanav is here, Ayushman, Aradhana, Swasti, and Siddhi. So everybody is here. Fantastic. So should we start the quiz now?
Yes, sir.
Alrighty. So if everybody is ready now, so we're going to start the quiz. What's going to happen is first 2 questions are trial questions for you. Okay. So that you can understand how this quiz is going to be played. All right. So let me start the quiz. So let's start Jumbleothon with iGen Pod. All right. So this is the first question. Match will lose the day. And then you have 4 options. Option A, will they lose the match? Option B, they will lose the match. Option C, lose the match they will. And option D, will they lose the match? Question mark. So you have to choose the option which you feel is the correct one. All right. So 3 people have chosen the correct option. And there are going to be no points for this. Like I mentioned, this was just a trial question. Okay. But I hope you have all understood how this quiz is going to be played. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just give me a thumbs up, everyone, if you have understood. Swasti says yes. Ayushman says hell yes. And how about you, Tanav? Tanav knows how to play this quiz. I know. Yeah. Aradhana says yes. And Siddhi says absolutely yes. All right. So let's move on to the next question. This again is going to be a trial question. But yeah, you still have to answer it correctly. All right. Try and answer it correctly.
Yes.
Cool. So let's move on to the second option. Second question rather. It is going to rain today. Question mark. Today it is going to rain. It is going to rain today. Is it going to rain today? Or it is going to rain today? All right. Only 3 people have answered this question. Why? Were you like not able to read the entire question in time? Okay. So mark it, all the participants. For every question, you will only have 20 seconds to reply. Okay. There'll only be 20 seconds um, allocated for every question, and then you need to answer within that time frame. Okay. So you need to be very fast while you are reading the question, while you're reading the options. Okay.
Sir,
And then click on the whatever option you feel is the right option. Yes.
sir,
Any question?
it is nothing is coming on my screen.
It shouldn't be the case. It should come on your screen. I hope Siddhi, Swasti, everything is coming on your screen. All right. Aradhana, if it is not coming on your screen, you'll have to reload the page again and come in again. I will give you 30 seconds. Do it again if nothing is coming on your screen.
Sir, can we continue?
No. We'll have to wait for Aradhana also, no?
Yeah.
Aradhana,
But
you
sir, isn't the question already done?
okay? Aradhana,
Sir, it is showing time's up. It's not over just yet.
okay. So you have to reload it. Reload the page again. I'll give you 30 seconds, Aradhana. Reload the page again and enter the game pin 1898174. You can see the game pin here. It's mentioned here, right hand side bottom corner. Reload and enter this game pin again. You should be able to enter the game. Ayushman, you can go on mute. If at all you guys have any question, that's when you can unmute. Otherwise, you can stay on mute.
Sir.
Aradhana, are you able to log in?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fantastic. So let's move on to the next question. And kids, this is where everything boils down to your points, because next question on your screen, you're going to get points if you answer the question correctly. All right. So stay tight and let's move on to the next question. The bananas were eating monkeys. Option A, the monkeys were eating bananas. Option B, were the monkeys eating bananas? Option C, the monkeys were eating bananas. And option D, eating bananas were the monkeys. All right. So out of 5 people, 2 people have responded to the question correctly. And the right option is, were the monkeys eating bananas? Because it was a question statement, kids. Isn't it? It was a question statement. So those of you who have chosen option D, that's the right answer. So let's see, how does the leaderboard look like? Fantastic, Aradhana. You have answered the question correctly along with Ayushman. And great work, Aradhana, because you have answered the question in a very quick time. Swasti, Siddhi, Tanav, need not worry. This is just the first question. There are many questions to come. And here comes the next question. Tails have short baby elephants. Option A, baby elephants have short tails. Option B, short baby elephants have tails. Option C, baby tails have short elephants. And option D, short tails have baby elephants. I was reading it so slowly that the time just got up. But anyway, I think most of you have sort of like connected to the right option, and the right option is baby elephants have short tails. That's the right answer. So congratulations. Let's see what's the moment in the leaderboard. And okay, Ayushman is now up the order. He goes up to the leaderboard with 1244 points. Well done. And next is Swasti, Siddhi, Ara, and Tanav. All right, I think somebody else also joined in. Let's see who joins in. Is there anybody else who has joined in? All right, I think nobody. Devina has joined in. Let's wait for Devina also to All right. So I think she will take some time to join in. Let's move on to the next question. Are you all ready?
Yes, sir.
All right. So let's move on to the next question. Your good father is a doctor? Question mark. The first option is your father is a good doctor. Option B, is your father a good doctor? Option C, a good doctor is your father. And option D, is a doctor your good father? All right, so two of you have answered this question correctly, which is your father a good doctor? So I don't know if most of you have seen that this was a question statement. So this was a question that, let's say you are asking maybe your friend, is your father a good doctor? So that's the right option. Let's see who has
Sir?
answered how.
Sir?
All right, so Swasti, good job. You have answered this question correctly, and not just correctly, but you have answered this question in real quick time. Fantastic job. All right, so I think somebody was calling me. Who's
It's
okay? Aradhana.
Davina.
Saradhana Rishikesh, sir. Can I join in another device so I can see the question?
I am okay, but this quiz is going to continue, Aradhana. I have given you time earlier also. You can still you can continue with another device. That's okay. You know the game pin. You can continue with another device. Devina, you have to log into Kahoot, and this is the game pin 1898174. You are late, so we are not going to wait. For another whatever 3-4 minutes. Quickly log into this kahoot.it, and this is the game pin 1898174.
It is showing that the game pin.
That is what I am saying. This is the game pin 8198174. And please be on time for the next quiz. You're already 15 minutes late for the quiz, Devina. Not done.
Sir,
All right.
1898.
All right. So no more talking, kids. Let's move on to the next question. Otherwise, we'll break the momentum. All right. So let's move on to the next question now. All right, so the next question is, every little morning she horse her rides. Option A, every little morning she rides her horse. Option B, she little rides her horse every morning. Option C, she rides her horse every little morning. Or option D, she rides her little horse every morning. Oh my God. Only 3 people were able to answer this question, but then none of you have answered this question correctly.
Sir, I was about to do the times up.
But the time was up by that time. So that's why I'm saying you just have 20 seconds to answer,
I was reading.
these questions. Exactly. So you have to be very quick while you're reading. Okay. Because I'm going to go with my flow. So it's better that you don't stay with me while I'm reading, but you can read as quickly as possible. Okay. So be attentive from the next question. Well, this question was a dud. Nobody was able to answer this question correctly. That means there is no change in the leaderboard. Devina and others, are you able to join in?
Sir, it is showing that the game pin is not
That, that is what I'm saying. No, the game pin is 1898174. Devina.
Sir, I have written that.
I don't know. You should have been here. Anyway, then you can you try again. I think you should be able to come. All right, so let's move on to the next question, kids. To newspaper I went, read library data. Okay, so the options are, I went to read the library to the newspaper. Option B, I went to the newspaper to read the library. Option C, I went to the library to read the newspaper. Or option D, the newspaper went to the library to read. Oh my God, so quick. But I am so glad that this time 4 people have answered this question correctly. Kudos everybody who has answered this question correctly, and most importantly, I think we have 5 people. Everybody has answered this time, so which is a good thing. Let's see Okay, so Ayushman is again climbing up the ladder. He is second in the table right now. Uh, just next to Swasti. So I am sure this is going to be anybody's battle right now because there are 10
Sir,
more questions to go. Yes.
it is
Any
showing
question?
up again.
Devina, I am not sure why that's the case. You should be able to enter here. If you're not able to enter, you can try in with another device. If that's not happening as well, then I can't do anything, Devina. Next time, please be on time. Okay, so
I
kids,
had to download the app, so it took time.
no, Devina, I've told you, there were multiple reminders in the group also that the class is going to start, quiz is going to start at 7 o'clock, but that's okay. I'm going to put you on mute, Devina, so that we can continue with the quiz now. Okay, so kids, let's move on to the next question. Are you all ready? Aradhana, I want you to switch on your camera, please. Aradhana, all right, that's great, Aradhana. Yeah. Okay, so let's move on to the next question now. At last, somebody I saw the window night. So quickly, I'm going to go through the options. Option A is at the night window, I saw somebody last. I saw somebody at the window last night. I saw somebody at the last night window. Somebody saw at the window last night. Ooh, that's a tough one. But oh my God, okay, 3 out of 5 people have answered this question correctly. So that means 60% of you have answered this question correctly, which is a decent hit ratio. Let's see if there are any changes to the leaderboard. Okay, so there is one change, which is that Aradhana is again climbing up the ladder. So that's good job. Okay, let's move on to the next question. For some chicken tea buy us let sandwiches. Options are let us buy some chicken sandwiches for tea. Let us buy some chicken tea for sandwiches. Let us buy some chicken tea sandwiches for. Let us buy some tea sandwiches for chicken. Okay, so 2 out of 5 people this time have answered this question correctly. And okay, so let's see who has answered this question correctly. Swasti is on fire. Swasti, you have answered consecutively 3 questions correctly, which is great job, I feel. And Aradhana is silently moving up the ladder. But Aradhana, why do I see two entries from with your name? One at Ara and the other one is Ara.
Sir, I joined in 2 devices.
You shouldn't be, right? You can log out from one device. From the device that you're not playing, you can log out. All right, so let's move on to the next question now. You can give to the old poor your clothes. Option A, your poor clothes, you can give to the old. Your clothes, you can give to the old poor. To your old clothes, you can give the poor. You can give your old clothes to the poor. Okay, I am so glad this time 4 people have answered this question correctly. And let's check out the leaderboard. Fantastic. So Siddhi is now, moving up the ladder, I believe. Okay. So Swasti is there, Aradhana is there, Ayushman is also there. And then Tanav. Tanav, are you not able to join in or what?
Sir, I joined, but I'm answering wrong.
Oh, all right. And okay, so Siddhi is already there and Aradhana is also there. Fantastic. No issues. All right, so let's move on to the next question. Are you all ready? Should we move on to the next question now? Okay, so Siddhi, I want you to say Yes, sir. Let's move on to the next question.
Yes, sir. I wanted to move on to the next question.
Okay, no, I want Siddhi to answer. Say that.
Yes, sir. Please move on to the next question.
All right, Siddhi, like you say. You before eat out breakfast go. Option A, you must go out eat before your breakfast. You must eat out before you go breakfast. You must eat breakfast before you go out. Okay, so 5 people have answered this question correctly. You guys are so good. Yeah, I mean, you have read all the options and you have also opted out the correct option, which is great. So good job, everyone. Kudos. Okay, so Swasti, I mean, you're doing a fabulous job. Yeah. Okay, and even Ayushman is also doing a great job, and so is Ara, and I think so is Siddhi. It can be everybody's game here. I think everybody is playing very well. And Tanav, where are you? I can't see you in the leaderboard, man. Come on.
Sir, for the next question, I'll try to come in the lead up.
Okay, okay, fantastic. Let's move on to the next question then. I want Swasti this time to say, let's move on to the next question.
Sir, please move on to the next question.
Okay, that's great. I'm going to move on to the next question then. Some sugar do not take people in their tea. Option A, some people do not take sugar in their tea. Some tea do not take sugar in their people. Okay, what happened? Everybody has answered okay. That's why I thought, the time duration was very small there. But I think all of you have answered this question correctly, and that's why time got up. And all of you have answered this question correctly. Wonderful. Great job, kids. And we see Tanav. Okay, so finally, where are you, Tanav? We can see you in the leaderboard. I'm so happy to see you in the leaderboard, Tanav. Very well done. So, for that, I want you to tell everyone that, hey, let's move on to the next question.
Sir, let's move on to the next question.
Okay, so here we go. And the next question on your screen, the train will leave. Okay, this thing is coming. You can read out all the options here. Okay, so all of you have answered this question correctly, which is great. I'm just going to stop sharing my screen and I'm going to share it again with all of you. Okay, why can't I, let me move it to the bottom in that case. Yeah, I think this will be better.
Sir?
Yeah, so let's see if there are any changes in the leaderboard. Okay, so I think everybody has scored well and good job, everybody. So whom do we go to? Ayushman. Ayushman, should we move ahead? Give me a thumbs up if you want me to move ahead with the next question. All
Yes,
right,
sir.
so let's move on to the next question in that case. Buying some more for tomorrow she is. She's buying some more for tomorrow. For more, some buying is tomorrow she. For tomorrow she's buying more. Okay, so oh my god, everybody has become so much pro right now. Everybody is answering the questions correctly. Great job. But let's see if that has brought some change to the leaderboard. Let's check it out. Not really. So the leaderboard still stands exactly the way it was before. Okay, so we are left with 3 questions. So I want you all to focus very, very sharply because there are only 3 questions left now. And I want you all to give it your best shot. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. I want Aradhna. Should we move on to the next question, Aradhna?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Aradhna is enjoying for sure, and I am 100% sure that next question, Aradhna, you're going to answer correctly, not just correctly, but you will answer it in the quickest amount of time. Okay, Aradhna gives me a thumbs up. Let's see how it goes. And your next question is, he carried bags in both one hand. Bags in both hand, one he carried. Both hand he carried bags in one. He carried both bags in one hand. And oh, fantastic. Everybody is answering the questions correctly. I hope you're the only one who's answering this question correctly, right? There's nobody else around you who's answering this.
Yeah, no, sir, nobody else. I've closed my door.
Okay, fantastic. Okay, that's great. But let's see if this has got some change to the leaderboard. Not really, not really. But we are still 2 questions away to see who is going to be in our final 3. So let's check it out. That's the next question on your screen now. Must we take even a stove cooking? Even we must take cooking a stove. Stove, we must cooking take even a. We must even take cooking a stuff. We must even take a cooking stuff. Okay, so finally we have got mixed answers this time, and 2 people have answered this question correctly. I am so much hoping to see some change in the leaderboard, and I'm extremely anxious to see how this has changed the leaderboard. Are you all excited? Oh yes, oh yes. Let's see if there is any change in the leaderboard. Okay, there is a change in the leaderboard, and we see Aradhana climbing up the ladder. She's second now, only to Ayush. And by the way, let me tell you, kids, last question is a bonus question. So whoever answers this question correctly, we are going to see some gradual change in the leaderboard. Okay, so this is going to be last question, and Tanav is already jumping. He is having a gala time for sure. So let's move on to the next question. And I'm going to ask Siddhi this time. Siddhi, should we move on to the next question? Yes, Siddhi says yes. Let's move on to the next question. And let's move on to the next question now. She does not brush her own shoes. She does not brush her own shoes. She does not brush shoes her own. She does not brush her shoes own. She does not her own shoes brush. Okay, so the question was itself an answer, I believe, isn't it? And most of you have answered this question correctly, except one person, but that's okay. I think, let's see. Are you all excited to see the leaderboard? Are you all excited to see the leaderboard?
Yes.
Okay, so let's see what and who is going to be in the third, second, and first position. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. So this is great stuff. Third position goes to Ayushman, second position goes to Aradhana, and first position goes to Swasti. Well done, all of you. I think all of you did a very good job. This was a very closely fought competition. Not just only 3 of you, but I think Tanav and Siddhi, you also did a great job, because everybody was like just 100 or 200 points away. So I think you all did a great job. But special congratulations to Swasti, Aradhana, and Ayushman. I think you all did a fantastic job. So this,
Thank you, sir.
all right, so this brings us to the close of our quiz. Let me stop sharing it. And I hope you all like today's quiz. Did you like today's quiz?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Okay, so we're going to bring
Sir?
similar kind of quizzes every weekend for you. There's going to be some English quiz. There's going to be some Okay, Tanav. You can keep your mouth a little away. Okay. So
Sir?
as I was say, 1 second, Tanav. I'll come to you. I'll come to you. Yes, you can say, Tanav, what you want to say.
Sir, can we make our own quiz?
Oh yes, of course you can make your own quiz. Do you want us to do a session on how you can make your own quiz on Kahoot? Would that be
Yes,
impressive?
sir.
Oh,
Yes, sir. Yes,
Siddhi,
sir.
Siddhi says no, she's not interested, but that's okay. If you all want us to create a quiz for you, we can do that. And where is okay, Siddhi just went away. Okay, Swasti just went away. She took the quiz, she came first and she went. But that's okay. I think you all had a great time. I had a wonderful time, and we're all going to meet soon with a different set of quiz, different set of questions. Till then, stay safe. Have a great time with your parents, your family, your siblings. And signing off, I'm Ashish from Hygiene Pod. Have a good day. Bye bye.
Sir,